Here, hey, it's Snarflakes here. I'd like to demo the Arbitrum Wallet, which works the same as the Polygon wallet and the Ethereum wallet, and a cool onboarding feature I just added on. If you click into the private key, you'll see now there's two QR codes. One of those is the private key, the top left, and the bottom is the App Store. So I made a link tree that will take you to either MetaMask or Rainbow Wallet app stores for quick download of the wallet if someone's going to be onboarded. And as you can see here, hold the button, USDC to ETH transaction sent. And there you go, the transaction was sent. You can scan the QR code to look at the exact transaction that just occurred. Or you just refresh the wallet info. And look for that conversion to have already been reflected. And there you go, there's no more USDC, it's all in Ethereum. Have a great day, thanks.